Which of the following would be an example in which a firm successfully implements the blue ocean strategy but eventually fails? The first paragraph mentions that the blue ocean strategy requires companies to open up a whole new uncontested marketplace. So if the company has successfully implemented this strategy, it means that the company was at some point in time successful in opening an uncontested marketplace. Also, the second paragraph mentions that the strategy is not a long-term strategy because eventually competition will occur because some competitor will copy or even improve on your strategy. So basically we need an example in which a company was able to open up a new marketplace but then later on succumb to the competition. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. In this example, it is not clear whether this company established an uncontested marketplace. Also, the reason for failure is the company's failure to renew the contract. This failure is not related to competition. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B. In this example, it can be interpreted that the African firm going in South American markets is establishing an uncontested market space. However, the reason for failure is their failure to bring new designs. So this failure is not related to competition. So this example is not the required example. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. In this example, it is not clear whether this company is establishing an uncontested market space. Also, the reason for failure is bankruptcy because of unforeseen risk. This reason is not related to competition. So this example is not the required example. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. In this example, it can be inferred that Mexican local products in Europe can be considered an uncontested market space. Also, the firm failed because it could not compete with other ventures. So the reason for failure is competition. So this answer choice indicates an example in which a company was successfully able to implement the blue ocean strategy but subsequently failed because of competition. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E. In this example, the company is introducing first of its kind handheld electronic device. So it can be inferred that the company is trying to create an uncontested market space because the product is first of its kind. However, the reason for failure is the lack of customer demand. So this reason is not related to competition. So this example is not the required example. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.